Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is January 23rd, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Elevance Health. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Elevance Health has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. Can you give us a brief overview of the company and what we can expect from this report?
Thank you. Elevance Health is a major player in the healthcare industry, focusing on providing comprehensive health solutions. Their latest earnings report highlights their financial performance for the fourth quarter and full year 2024, along with their outlook for 2025. We'll be discussing key metrics such as revenue, earnings per share, and strategic initiatives that the company is undertaking.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Elevance Health reported an operating revenue of $45 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024 and $175.2 billion for the full year. John, how does this compare to the previous year, and what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The fourth quarter revenue increased by 6% compared to the prior year, and the full year saw a 3% rise. This growth was primarily driven by higher premium yields in their health benefits segment, acquisitions completed in 2024, and growth in Carelon RX product revenue. However, they did face some challenges with membership attrition in their Medicaid business.
And what about their earnings per share? How did they perform against analyst expectations?
Elevance Health reported an adjusted EPS of $3.84 for the fourth quarter, slightly beating the analyst forecast of $3.82. This indicates a strong performance in managing their costs and optimizing their operations despite the challenging environment.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Elevance Health managed its operating margins, and what are their projections for 2025?
In the fourth quarter, Elevance Health's operating margin was 1.5%, with an adjusted operating margin of 2.3%. These figures reflect disciplined cost management and enhanced efficiency. Looking ahead, the company projects an adjusted EPS for 2025 in the range of 34 to 34.85 cents, indicating confidence in their ability to sustain growth. Additionally, they've increased their quarterly dividend by 5% to $1.71 per share, which is a positive signal to investors.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the performance of Elevance Health segments. How did Carelon and Health Benefits fare in the fourth quarter?
Carelon reported a revenue of $14.7 billion, a 19% increase from the previous year, driven by the growth of risk-based capabilities and acquisitions. Their adjusted operating gain was $0.8 billion, up 32%. On the other hand, the health benefits segment saw a revenue of $37.6 billion, a 3% increase, but faced challenges with a 15.1% decline in Medicaid membership due to redeterminations.
What strategic initiatives is Elevance Health focusing on to address these challenges and drive future growth?
The company is committed to simplifying the healthcare experience and deepening the impact of Carelon. They are deploying innovative care models to achieve sustainable growth, as highlighted by CEO Gail K. Boudreaux. These initiatives are crucial for navigating the dynamic healthcare environment and maintaining their competitive edge.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. John, cash flow and shareholder returns are always of interest to investors. How did Elevance Health perform in these areas?
Elevance Health generated an operating cash flow of $5.8 billion in 2024, which is approximately 1.0 times their GAAP net income. They repurchased 4.5 million shares for $1.8 billion and paid a quarterly dividend of $1.63 per share. As of the end of 2024, they have $9.3 billion remaining in their share repurchase authorization, indicating a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Key takeaways. In summary, Elevance Health has delivered a solid performance in the fourth quarter and full year 2024, with notable revenue growth and an EPS that slightly beat expectations. Their strategic initiatives and strong cash flow position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on Elevance Health's investment prospects?
Elevance Health's focus on operational efficiencies and strategic growth initiatives, along with their commitment to shareholder returns, make them an attractive investment. However, investors should keep an eye on the challenges in the Medicaid segment and the broader healthcare environment.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Elevance Health's performance in the comments below.